Welcome to the lesson before the lesson. Let's start off with an ungraded pop quiz. Here we go. Can you tell the difference between this guy and this guy?
Tablets and lotions, major news in modern science. Step up now and join my clients.
What about this guy and this guy? Okay, how about this guy?
Full of surprises.
And this guy. I'm trying to make a point. Computer science, the golden arena of endless well-paying jobs, needs problem solvers from all backgrounds, but appears surrounded by a thick wall of incomprehensible ones and zeros, self-righteous nerd minions, and endless differential equation nightmares. This video textbook attempts to create an entrance through that wall by teaching programming basics in the language of real people. This video is a lecture about computer science beyond just normal programming. To watch this week's lecture covering programming tools and methods, click here. And to watch a real-life coding example in 3 different languages, click here. Okay, so I beg you to forgive the hyperbole, but I'm trying to make a point that there's a difference between professionals and willy-nilly wannabes. A huge portion of that line is the discipline. Every field has rules and practices, methods, philosophies, and a level of experience that you need to achieve professionalism. And every field has an active community of wannabes who skip steps and cut corners to create quick success, but with subpar solutions. Now, wanting to help the health of humanity, you can pay the price of hours of practice, study, and instruction to become a medical doctor or the equivalent. But why would you do that when you can just buy last year's holistic medicines and witchcraft field guide for Hogwarts dropouts on eBay and open an illegal clinic out of your aunt's storage unit? You can also hodgepodge program with Band-Aid code that you string together from hackers and high schoolers that you found on the internet, or you can tell yourself that you're going to learn to program with the discipline to write readable, intentional, well-organized, professional programs that other people can look at, maintain, reuse, and learn from. A major step on that road is learning and adopting what professional programmers call programming conventions. These are little rules that your computer really doesn't notice, but make a big difference in how your code looks to humans. You can usually make code that works well without programming conventions, but it's almost impossible to make code that reads well and is easy to maintain without them. And they're really just little things like writing comments in your code or following a specific naming pattern. They usually only take a few seconds, but they separate good cohesive code from undecipherable patchwork code. I would love to be able to teach all of them to you right now, but these rules are often language specific, so it will be better if I just teach them to you as we go. And that way you'll understand where and how they apply. So I guess for now, when I say that this is a programming convention that would be good to follow, you can know that this is something that you should learn and do naturally to make your code look clean and professional.